NASA has finally released the images. After weeks of silence and delays, we finally have a close-up look at Interstellar Comet 3I Atlas. The internet is already exploding with theories. Why did NASA wait until after the government shutdown to release these? And why do some scientists claim this object is not natural? Welcome back to Quick Bite Science. Today we are doing a deep dive into the visitor from beyond our solar system. To understand why this photo release is so important, we have to look at the history. For centuries, we believed objects from other stars must pass through our system. But we never saw one, until 2017 with Oumuamua. That object was weird. It tumbled through space and accelerated on its own. Then came 2I Borisov in 2019. That one looked like a normal comet. Now, we have the third visitor, 3I Atlas. And this one might be the strangest of them all. The images released yesterday didn't come from Earth telescopes. They came from Mars. The object passed just 19 million miles from the red planet. This gave the Mars Reconnaissance orbiter a front row seat. The Perseverance rover even pointed its cameras up to catch a glimpse. This unique angle allowed NASA to see the dark side of the comet. And this is where the mystery deepens. Standard comets are dirty snowballs. They heat up near the sun and vent gas. NASA's official statement says 3I Atlas is behaving normally. But looking at the spectral data, things get messy. The object has an unusually high concentration of nickel, but almost no iron. In our solar system, these two elements are almost always found together. Finding one without the other is like finding a skeleton without bones. It suggests a refinement process, or a very specific exotic origin. This chemical anomaly has reignited the debate. Is it a rock, or is it technology? Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb has been vocal about this data. He suggests that the sunward jet observed in the images acts like a thruster. While comets do outgas, the precision of this jet is unusual. Loeb argues that we shouldn't dismiss the artificial possibility. If an alien civilization sent a probe, it might use a light sail, or it might be space junk from a long-dead culture. Then there is the timing. The data from Mars was received weeks ago. NASA claims the processing was delayed by the government shutdown. Skeptics online argue the delay was used to scrub the images. They ask why a multi-billion-dollar satellite is taking blurry photos. The reality is likely less exciting. These cameras were designed to look at the ground of Mars, not deep space. So, what is the verdict on 3I Atlas? As it races back out into deep space, it takes its secrets with it. We may never know for sure if it was a rock or a visitor. But one thing is certain, the universe is getting crowded. Is NASA hiding the high-res photos? Or is Avi Loeb seeing aliens where there are only rocks? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe to Quick Bite.